Okay, so now we're gonna go across timing. I know I barely got a little bit of light, but I have marked all the other arrows before, so that goes right there. This arrow goes up and down, straight up and down. So as these are up and down, these holes right there, those have to be in the middle. That's in the middle of that, that's in the middle of that, that's in the middle of that, that's in the middle of that. I got the tension rods on there already too. Then on this side, I already tightened those down. And then right here, I got the cam gears right where I left them. So all that's already pointed and everything's right. So now, I'm about to take the cam gears, put that on, exactly how I had it. So like I said, just like I had the cam gears. See, I got it all marked up. All right. So now, glimpse. So you see I got that in there? Now that sits in the middle, right? That sits in the middle. Then if I go all the way to the left, it goes to the left. If I go all the way to the right, it goes all the way to the right. So that's how I know it's centered and everything's perfect. Now I'm gonna put this on. And take front. That's the back. And that's the back. And that's the front. Match that up. Get the bolts down here. Cut it. So my bad that I kind of skipped over the timing. So like I said, you put this one on first. Like I said, mark it before you take it off, just like you had it. Put it back on with the marks on. Line it up. It should sit in the center. And when you put the tensioner in, then once that's sitting in the center with the springs, with the arrows going up and down, you win the game. Then you take this, like I said, zip tie it, mark it, so that way you don't lose your place. So that way you take it back off. When you put it back on, it's going to be in the same exact place. So you slide this all the way to the left, it goes to the left. And all the arrows go to the left. When you slide it to the right, you slide it to the right. All the arrows on that side go to the right. Same thing for this side. But you're going to want it to, it's going to go to the left and the right. And then when you put it in the middle, everything lines up in the middle. Then once you got all that, you got this timed. Then you got this timed. So once both of those are timed up, then from there, you turn this all the way that way. And that's going to be able for you to have access to put the vanos on. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I got that all the way to the left. All right. And you're going to want to keep the vanos. Mind you have everything torqued down too, you know. My bad, I didn't get any torque specs, but. All right, so I'm back at it. Yeah, another day, another dollar. Another day, another problem. Hey, but it's all about the outcome. But yeah, though, anyway, back at it. Now, I did the back headers last night along with the timing and all that. You feels me? Now I got to put the front headers on. So I have a little trick. What I do is if you have AC, get a jack. You see that? You jack it up right there on the AC, jack the motor up. Then you take a 13 millimeter. You go down here, you take these 4 bolts off that holds on the mount, and you take the mount off. Then it'll be, you have easy access for you to slide the header in and out. That's what I'm about to do now, is take off those 4 bolts, and then I'm gonna put the the front header on. Well, not new, but front. You feel me? So let me get to it. All right, so like I said, I took that off over there. That's off, and then I just slid the header in with the gasket and pie-out. It's on there. So now I'm just gonna bolt it down, and then I gotta put the that piece back to see if it clears. Just remember, I dented it down here at the bottom. We'll see. All right, so I put the motor mount back and I put the header back, and it's still hidden right there. So I got some nail polish, marked it. I'm gonna take everything back off, take the header back off, and then hit it down again, hit it with the hammer, and then hopefully that should fix my problem. Yeah, man. So get back at it, man. Let's get it. All right, so I found a problem. We smacked the headers down, yes we did, but on the sides right here where it folded up, that's kind of where it's low-key hidden. So like right there for sure, and like all right there. So now I gotta do like a little side angle tactic. It'll be fine. Hit that in, heat it up, hit it in. Let me get this back on the car. That's why I like testing stuff, mocking stuff up, marking it, you know? That way you get everything accurate, everything right. Ain't no issues. So, yeah, man, I'm about to get acting fire. And we on. All right. Oh, man, your boy been doing some fighting. But I got them in. I got the front ones in and the rear ones. I'll re-tighten down everything again, went all over them, make sure everything's tight. Also, I had beat the header up on the bottom to clear the motor mount, because before when I was running the car, it was hidden right there. You see right there on the motor mount? It was hidden. Now it's not hidden no more. You see that clearance? I cleared it. It was hidden right there on the mount. So I fixed that, dented those up to fix that. And now headers are installed, motor mounts back in, everything's in. And now I just gotta connect the bottom. I gotta go get 2 exhaust gaskets. Then also I'm gonna change the oil today. And then from there, just cooling and valve cover gasket, and that's pretty much it. So I think next, I might do the valve cover gasket, and then do some more stuff. And yeah, man, we almost there, man. Should be dipping soon, then cooling, and then yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So I think right now I'm gonna go pick up some parts and then get something to eat, take me a little break, and then yeah, man, I'm gonna holla at y'all.